Hey, welcome back, guys, to your next lecture on importing your sketch. Now, there's a few ways you can import an image, and I'm going to show you all the different ways you can. Whatever way works best for you, you can decide, but I just want to show you what's available and how to get it in there, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and hit Apple N for a new file, and I'm going to go ahead and leave this as, you know what, I'm going to leave this as print. Okay, and it defaults to RGB. In the page preset, I'm gonna leave this at let's say A4 is fine. That's fine, and I'm gonna leave it also at uncheck portrait. Okay, so it's now gonna be in landscape format. Okay, so we've created a file. Now it doesn't have, you can pick any file size that you want. I just decided that, you know, I have a larger format printer and I like to print at A4. And I'm printing from a home computer, so if you're printing from a home computer, it's suggested that you use the RGB. If you're sending it off to a printer, then you want to use the CMYK color space preset. Okay, so to import, I could do a few things. I could hit Apple Shift M to open up my media manager. Okay, and I have desktop here. And if you don't have desktop, you could just right click and click add, and then add that folder to the media manager, so it'll always show up. So if you have a folder that you go to all the time, then it's better for you to just add it to the media manager so you can get to it quickly. Okay. This project, I twirl this down in my class project folder. In my project Flint illustrations, I know that my scan is here, and scan camera imports. I can click it and I can drag that out. Okay, so there you go. There's my image. That's one way. Okay, now I'm going to delete that. The other way is to use the place image tool. If I click on that, go to my desktop. Excuse me. Go to my desktop, go to class projects, project illustration, scan camera, and double click, and then drag it out. So I can decide on what size that I want to drag that out at, okay? And yes, it's in portrait. I will correct that in a bit, but I just want to show you how to import these things. The other way would be to go up here. File place down there is the same as file place here. It's the same thing. You know, go to your folders, open, and place. Okay, so that's another way. And then lastly, the last way you can do this is, let's see, let's just close this, close that. The last way you can do this is to go to your project illustration, go to scan images, and you could actually drag and drop. Okay, so those are all the different ways that you can import, and we'll go into cleaning up this in the next lecture. Okay, guys, so if you have any questions, send me a tweet or at Mixed Media Salad, or you could email me, or you could start a discussion. All right, thanks, guys.